Hello everyone, welcome back to Droid Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix the Asus ROG Ally is having or it is not turning on issue and how we can fix this out. So many users are having this particular issue and we're going to talk about some of the possible workaround which can be done in order to fix this particular issue. So the first one is all about you need to connect the charger and turn on the device. That is what you have to do. So just connect the charger and you have to turn on device just pressing over here in the power button, and that will be helping guys out. So this is the basic thing. Sometimes the battery might be used up completely, so you need a power source. So just connect the charger and turn on and see whether the issue is solved or not. If that is not working, we have to move to the next one. That is all about we have to charge the device for a longer duration. Maybe if the charge is completely drained out and if it's all used up, and definitely you will be having the issue. So what we need to just do is we just need to connect it to a power source via cable, and you have to wait because it has to get completely charged up. That means you have to from 0 it has to charge it up to 100%. So we need to wait for a longer duration, hardly I have to say half an hour or more than this. So once it's successfully charged completely to 100%, just press this particular button over here and you have to turn on and see whether the issue is solved or not. Next one is all about, after trying with this, is all about sometimes the device might be quickly heated up because if you play the games like, for example, some kind of high-end games like Remnant 2, GTA, even for the Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart. If you play these kind of games, some users even mention in the forums, even in the Reddit, they have the overheating issue. So if the device is completely overheated, so you'll be having the trouble. So what we need just to do is we just need to turn it off completely. Just go over here and you have to turn it off. Just complete it. Just keep it like this. That means you have to keep it like this and you have to let this get completely cooled down, and it has to be taking a lot of time. For example, you have to wait for half an hour, or you can try with 1 hour, let it completely cool down. And once after that, once you cross-check yourself, you will be able to feel with your bare hands whether if it's heating or not. So if it's cooled down, you can feel it from here. So once it's cooled down, or you can keep it for 1 hour or half an hour. Once after that, just turn on over here, just press this particular button over here and you have to turn on the Asus ROG Ally once again, and most probably that's going to work for you as well. Once you're done with this one also, you can try with the next one. That is all about you can try using different chargers. Might be the charging cable having any kind of defect, so you'll not be able to charge this up. So that will be resulting not turning on. So you just need to change the charger, and you have to see as well as you can also change the charging port as well. Sometimes you might be connected to any other power sources, so it might be having an issue with the power source. Just try changing the power outlet. I mean, you have to try changing the power source to any other new plug, and you can see the issue is solved. You tried all these things and the issue is still there and you don't know what to do. This up is all about, you can try with all these possible workarounds. So all these are some of the basic common troubleshoots. So you can try all these things because these things are very important, because you have to cross-check all these things. You tried everything and the issue is still there. The next is all about you need to contact the Asus support. You can book an appointment, or you can talk to them, or you can meet the technician and they help you out if you're having any kind of issue. Sometimes the issues might not be with the software, so it will be completely with the hardware. For example, the charging port might be damaged, or any other things might be damaged. So if that is the case, you have to contact them because that's not in our end. So you just need to contact them, and that's going to help you guys out as well. So these are the possible workaround which can be done when you're having an issue with Asus ROG Ally is not turning on, and how you can try this out. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more of these kind of videos. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.